in this video. You can see that I entered this trade. I had a long position. As you can see, Fibonacci from this one wave, two wave, three, four, five. Then we got X, Y, Z, or whatever. Then we got A, B, C. Getting the targets of 1.236 in confluence with the 618 of the whole move. Anticipating maybe impulse waves up at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how it goes, but hopefully my stop loss isn't too tight, as it's just below the 618, 618, about halfway through the wick. So let's see. Probably targeting maybe the next fib levels. I think we should just target the next level of resistance, which is obviously there. Made that 2000 nice and round. So that's a clear 1 to 2. Let's see if that hits overnight. Good morning, guys. It's currently 7:46 a.m. and this is an update on my trade. As you can see, this was my take profit level at $2,000 profit. That's where it was. Look how close it came to it. So, but I've decided to change my take profit level to the 618 and 0.5 fib level, taking it from that high to that low. 0.5 in confluence with this 0.618 fib retracement from here. There, drag across. That gives us the fib extension levels. So our 80,040p hits. Just thought that I should take my profit as at the 1-to-1 extension from this move. But then I thought, yeah, I probably should take profit because, you know, I don't know, you should take profits. But I've got the SVP out, and as you can see, we're back in this range. The point of control is also in confluence with my take profit level at the 0.5 and the 0.618. So we have to hit it, right?
Yo, what's up, guys? I just wanted to update you as I'm editing this video. Why does it keep doing that? I'm editing this video, and as I'm editing it, you can see that I just wanted to see if my trade hit full TP after I took my take profits early. So as you can see, we have the drop down, zigzag, 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 drop down, zigzag, zigzag, drop down. So it's the same thing, yeah. I just rewinded the price. So as you can see, my entry is right there on that one. Also on that kind of double bottom just before the move up. So my entry was basically here on the one, yeah. So that was my entry. Take profit was above these highs. So at the 0.618, which got claimed perfectly. Take profit, 0.618. See that? So price went up, danced around, came back down to entry, hit full TP, then went to stop me out, or that's basically how it worked. So I just wanted to say that and include that in the video. Thank you.